An Oklahoma man is in jail, but his attorney says he's being illegally detained. He's an Oklahoma City resident, but first taken to the Tulsa County Jail because of a contract the jail holds with immigration. I met up with Salvador Franco Gomez's attorney, who is demanding the courts explain how they have legal reason to jail and possibly deport him. Salvador Franco Gomez is a family man. His wife and kids U.S. citizens. One child has developmental disabilities. He's been here since he was 19 and has no criminal history. However, in 2012, he was pulled over for a traffic stop. He was not charged with any crime, but turned in to immigration and has been waiting for his hearing to happen for 13 years. Robert Gifford, his attorney, says there's a massive backlog for these types of hearings, and they probably didn't find his a priority.
He was a law-abiding citizen, and there was no urgent rush on it, so that's why he was just kind of stuck in limbo, just waiting for the court to say, here's your hearing date.
So his family has been in shock since last week when he was asked by ICE to come by their office. They put him in jail for potential deportation.
He's here doing what he's supposed to do, trying to get his status adjusted, and he's doing it the right way, and they basically just kidnapped him off the street and threw him into jail. What they're doing is just beyond reckless.
Franco Gomez was here at David L. Moss as late as Wednesday, but he's since been moved and his location is unclear. The Tulsa County Sheriff's Office says they don't have a contract to hold ICE detainees longer than 72 hours. But his attorney believes this is a deliberate game of whack-a-mole, he calls it, moving ICE detainees from location to location and eventually deporting them without due process. To prevent that quickly, Gifford, one of few attorneys specializing in habeas corpus in Oklahoma, filed an emergency petition asking Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem, the Tulsa County Sheriff, and others to give legal reason why Franco Gomez is in jail. Habeas corpus is a legal procedure that ensures no one is detained without a valid reason. The filing also came just as Noem has been under scrutiny for incorrectly defining it.
Well, habeas corpus is a constitutional right that the president has to be able to remove people from this country and suspend their right to.
Let me stop you, ma'am. Habeas corpus, excuse me, that's incorrect.
Secretary Noem has until Friday to respond to the court about Franco Gomez. And just before this newscast, I did hear back from ICE officials who told me Franco Gomez has been moved to a detention center in Alvarado, Texas.